Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the barrel and exposing the point. Hold the barrel close to the threads so the force goes into turning the point, not bending it. Use a fingernail, folded cloth, or the edge of a ring to catch the point. This gives purchase without a tool. Twist counterclockwise in short, confident motions to loosen the threaded seating. Once it begins to move, pause and check alignment so you do not cross-thread. This reduces stripping and makes the next step smoother. Once the point is loose, continue unscrewing by hand, keeping steady pressure so the threads stay engaged. You want to feel when it clears the barrel. Stop if you sense resistance and back off slightly. Inspect both barrel and replacement point threads for burrs or dirt and clean with a cloth. Damaged threads mean poor seating and wobble. Thread the new point in by hand clockwise, aligning straight, and finish with a gentle, firm turn. You need snug, not over tight. To preserve threads and after fitting, make sure the point sits flush and straight. If it is slightly loose, tap the tip lightly on a hard surface while holding the barrel steady. This helps seat the thread without tools. Once seated, spin the dart on a flat table to check for wobble. If it rolls true, you're done. If you still see wobble, rethread slowly or try another point. Persistent misalignment often means the barrel or point threads are damaged and require replacement to avoid throwing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.